Top 10 Best Car Buffers 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. It reduces paint burn risks for beginners and pros. This AVID Power 6-inch dual-action car buffer polisher excels at removing swirl marks, light scratches, and oxidation. Its dual-action tech combines rotary and orbital motions for effective polishing without paint burn. You get 2,000 to 6,400 RPM variable speed control, perfect for waxing, polishing, or paint correction. It even polishes wood and metal. The ergonomic design features a rubberized grip and adjustable handle, reducing fatigue. It comes with 3 polishing pads. Just know, for heavy correction beyond light scratches, you'd need a more aggressive tool. It's a solid choice for general detailing and finish work. Number 2. This Chemical Guys TORQX Random Orbital Polisher Kit is a complete 9-piece solution. It's truly an all-in-one car buffer, including the polisher, pads, polishes, and compounds you need for paint restoration. It removes light scratches, swirls, and oxidation beautifully, boosting depth and gloss for a showroom finish. The 800-watt motor and ergonomic design are easy for beginners, yet powerful for pros. Keep in mind, it's designed for light defects, not deep scratches. For comprehensive paint correction and enhancing shine right out of the box, this kit is an excellent choice. Number 3. The BATOCA S3 ensures you're never without power. It includes 2 2.0H batteries, letting you charge one while you work. This cordless car buffer polisher is super light at just 3 pounds, great for beginners. It also features 6 adjustable speeds, from 2,500 to 5,000 RPM, perfect for detailing and waxing. Its durable, quiet operation and 5mm DA orbit make it very user-friendly. Just know this lighter touch is best for maintenance, not heavy paint correction. It's an excellent, portable option for any car enthusiast. Number 4. Professional quality paint correction. The Griot Garage G9 Orbital Starter Kit delivers effective scratch, swirl, and oxidation removal with its 1,000-watt motor and 9mm orbit throw. It includes a 6.5 orange correcting pad for even application and 4 PFM dual-weave towels for streak-free buffing. The Liquid Wax 3-in-1 gently handles minor defects and protects. This car polishing kit is best for minor flaws and protection. If you need aggressive correction for deep scratches, it's not quite a full pro setup. It's a solid, balanced choice. Number 5. Serious 1,000-watt power is what the Griot Garage G9 Random Orbital Polisher brings. This car buffer is built for tackling tougher paint correction, thanks to that variable speed motor. You get precise control over cutting or finishing work. It's a powerful tool, so it might be overkill if you just need quick, light waxing. But for dedicated detailers wanting consistent performance, it's a strong contender. Number 6. Its 1,000-watt engine delivers incredibly efficient paint correction. This Adams 9mm dual-action car polisher gives you swirl-free, scratch-free results fast. You also get comfortable control from its ergonomic, vibration-absorbing design. It's versatile enough to scrub carpets or polish metals, but with its strong correcting ability, it's best for serious defect removal. If you're only light waxing, it's overkill. For deep restoration, it's a powerhouse. Number 7. It's a complete, scratch-free car polishing system. This Griot's Garage kit includes a G9 orbital polisher, Boss correcting cream, and 2 foam pads. 6 microfiber plush edgeless towels are also key, ensuring 0 scratch points on delicate finishes. It's a comprehensive 2-step ceramic kit, so if you just need individual items, it's not for you. But for achieving that professional ceramic wax shine, it's an excellent option among car buffers. Number 8. Its 21mm long throw design is a game changer for speed. This maximizes coverage and efficiency, helping you achieve swirl-free, professional finishes faster. That 1000-watt motor provides high torque for heavy paint correction on your car, truck, or SUV. You get precise control with its variable 6-speed dial. It's an ergonomic, low-vibration random orbital buffer built for longer sessions without fatigue. However, its aggressive long throw might be a bit much for absolute beginners. For experienced detailers tackling big jobs, this Maxshine M21 Pro dual-action polisher is a solid, powerful choice. Number 9. Achieves a professional high-gloss finish, cord-free. This WORX 20V cordless polisher runs at 3000 RPM orbital action, giving your cars and boats that fresh from the detail shop look. It's surprisingly easy to handle thanks to its steering wheel style grip. You get the freedom of a PowerShare rechargeable battery, no tripping over cords near water buckets. The same battery also works with over 75 other WORX tools. Bonnets for polishing, buffing, and application come included. While it's fantastic for high-gloss buffing and waxing, this 3000 RPM orbital buffer isn't for heavy paint correction. It's a solid, easy-to-use option for maintaining vehicles and getting that showroom shine. Number 10. Consistent finish, easy handling. The BLACK+DECKER's 6-inch buffer polisher offers random orbit action, ensuring uniform results applying wax or polish. Its two-handle design genuinely reduces fatigue, even with the 10-foot cord providing great mobility for a corded tool. This isn't for heavy paint correction. It's designed for a high-quality finish. It comes with foam and polishing bonnets, making it ideal for regular car maintenance. If you're after easy application and a smooth shine, this car polisher is a solid choice. Thanks for watching Best Car Buffers. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.